them put it in a room.
Huh?
I want them put it in a room today.
Ain't nothing in my room. Why? May I tell the truth? I can't
Don't
tell you.
stop. So you publicly came on the live to say what?
Hmm?
Hmm? So you publicly forward on the live for what? For do what?
To say that if it ain't you, ain't nobody else.
For say what?
If it ain't you, it's nobody else.
You're brave, though.
It's not bravery.
It's brave. Isn't it courage?
Do you
It doesn't
consider
take courage to do that.
that courage or bravery?
It's courage. It takes courage to do that, along with
Huh?
maybe other factors.
I don't think so. I don't think that has anything to do with it. I think it all have to do with honesty and setting your soul free. And don't walk with the baggage, you know. Just let after weight the half of your shoulder and just get it out.
Okay.
I saw you the other day.
You saw me the other day?
Yeah, I did. I was in Kingston. I saw you walking out of a store, and I said, "Yo, this is the right girl for me right now."
Which store you see me at work with her?
We're not give a free promotion. If it have nothing to do with you, I don't need to do a free promotion for you.
No, but no. Which store? Which store you see me at work with her?
Are you walking out of a specific store? I won't say what it is, but from a see I walk past me, I say, yeah. You never hear the song, My God is an awesome God, we praise. You heard the song before?
Mm-mm.
Okay, well, when you see it, that's the first thing that comes to my mind.
Okay.
And the greatest thing about it, 15 years from now, people are going to say, yo, I witnessed that shit. I never know say love can last that long.
No, sir.
But honestly, I saw you. I know.
Wicked.
Some ask you, weren't you in a store coming out in Kingston where you did a makeup store? Like 6 days ago, 7 days ago.
I did do my makeup and